Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you a new project which is called TxFlow. So this is like exchange where you can trade your favorite crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX, Near and so on guys. So I'm gonna show you all the benefits and crucial points why you should trade in TxFlow, not other exchanges, but in this TxFlow project. So that's why I watch video till the end, and let's get started. First of all guys, I want to start from the home page of TxFlow. That it's an open layer one with a multi-application ecosystem with built around the CP liquidity standards, where every channel shares on-chain liquidity, settlement and market data without bridging guys. So what sets TxFlow apart? It's no VCS, community owned, no investor allocations, community owned from Genesis, verifiable on a chain, 250k TPS, tag based parallel execution enables high transaction put and a multi-threaded pipeline with state matching enables high performance transaction processing, multi-application ecosystem, TxFlow DEX fully on-chain club, and the vision and next steps that you can start trade guys. And as you can see, first of all you have to register there. It's option connect your wallet or option A. First one is email, click connect, enter your email and press submit guys, and a 6-digit verification code arrives in your inbox within seconds. Enter it to log in. So TxFlow automatically creates a blockchain address tied to your email, so you will deposit USDC to this address and click enable trading and assign the gas less transaction in the group pop-up. So option B is EVM wallets like MetaMask, Grab and so on, and also deposit email login. Click deposit, copy the address shown in the deposit group and send USDC from a centralized exchange or wallet to that address via the multiple networks guys. So you can invest deposit with the USDC token addresses with networks Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, Polygon and Solana guys. So gas free deposit there is you have to deposit minimum 5 USDC, review and sign the authorization in your wallet, and off-chain signature that costs no gas and no moves no funds by itself. So they submit the transaction on chain and they pay the gas, so your USDC is credited to your account typically within 1 minute, guys. So it's so easy. And frequently asked questions, you can see also that, for example, why don't I need Ethereum? You sign an off-chain authorization instead of sending a transaction yourself, so they submit the transaction and pay the gas on your behalf. So there you can see funding, trading fees, and so this stuff you can read it by yourself and take like this info. So all the main links are in the description below. You can start trading right now. You can see the link, so you have to register and start trading guys. So for example, let's take a look. They are Bitcoin USDC guys, and there you can see it's between 65,000 USDC is Bitcoin right now with dollars, and there you can open with the cross margin, there 10x and so on. Please enable trading first. You have to enable and you have to connect your wallet first of all there, and you have to deposit minimum of 5 USDC, and you can open a few like short or a long way with limit or market there. For example, I wanna, for example, in this way I would open a short part because it seems to me Bitcoin gonna be down a little bit, and there you can see you can start their x's from 10x for example, and so on guys, and their market trigger limit, or you till their 50x you can open with a 50x, and their deposit and their cross or isolated. It's optional, so you decide. Also there are so many pairs, for example Ethereum, USDC, BNB, Litecoin and so on guys. there and 50 x's, so their favorite you can also choose. And there, for example, with the Litecoin, for example, okay, with going upper Bitcoin, it's gonna be also upper, so you can also open with small x's, for example with 3x and so on. There you can start with there with 10x and until 50x, guys, and you can take a look do that. And also you can change this one, for example Ethereum. So with just decreasing or increasing Bitcoin a little bit, you can earn and make a profit with that. This like standard basic things of futures of trading, guys. And there, let's take a look. Bitcoin USDC, and there you can see these, and I think it's gonna be down there a little bit, and with that you can make a profit. And this is so easy. And let's take a look at trading fees. That is their fees are charged as a percentage of the trade's national value and deducted immediately upon execution. So they apply per side, opening and closing a position, each incur a separate fee. So fee equals to national value multiple to fee rate, and notional value is equals to field size, and they are multiplied to field price, guys. And enterprise and a P&L, that your enterprise is a baseline for all P&L calculations. TxFlow tracks two types of P&L: unrealized P&L and realized P&L. That enterprise is the volume weight average price at which you opened or added to your position. That open position set to field price by 1 Bitcoin is equals to that, and add to pause position, they are reduced position. So you can do this stuff, guys. And unrealized P&L, they are updates in real time with the mark price. Long positions, unrealized P&L, that's equals to mark price. They are decrease minus enterprise, and this multiple to position. And the liquidations, this is all the things about trading, guys. So as a description you can see that's all. And I think it's enough for today. Thanks for watching me till the end. The main link is at the description below. You can check it right now, and you can start trading right now. So see you in the next videos. Bye, my dear friends.